Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Haulah, your mobile video editing coach. If you ever wanted to create amazing videos using just your phone, you are in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm giving you a complete beginner's guide to CapCut in 2025. This step-by-step video will teach you everything from trimming, adding text, music, voiceovers, effects, transitions, and so much more. Whether you are editing for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just fun, this tutorial is for you. So grab your phone, open CapCut, and let's get started. CapCut for Beginners Complete Editing Guide 2025. We're gonna look at in numbers using your mobile phone. Number one, creating a project. Open CapCut, tap on new project, choose the video or photos you want to edit from your gallery. I think you're seeing. Then tap add to bring them into your timeline. That is creating a new project. Number two, we're gonna look at trimming and splitting. To trim your clip, tap into the timeline, drag the white handle. You can call it the edges to shorten or to remove the unwanted parts of your video. You do it from the beginning and even the end, like that. Alright? Now to split a clip, just move the white line. You can call it the play end where you want and tap split. So that is all about trimming and splitting. Number three, deleting unwanted parts. That is, if you delete a section you don't need, tap that part and press delete. It's here at the bottom, just clean and easy. Number four, adding text. To add text, tap text, click on add text, type your message like a title. You can change the font if you like, even color, the size, you do it the same. Just position on the screen and add animations. Number five, adding stickers and emojis. Just know TikTok has the built-in stickers and emojis. If you want to add fun emoji or sticker or the subscribe button, you're gonna do this. Tap on the stickers, choose what you like, and place it on the screen like this, so you can even animate them if you just to make them pop. Are you getting it? Yeah, that's all about stickers and emojis. Number six, adding music and voiceovers. So to add background music, you're gonna do this. Tap audio, then sounds. You can pick music from CapCut or you can upload yours if you like. That is it. To add a voiceover, I myself, this is my voice. So to add this voice, what you're gonna do, tap voiceover, then hold on the red button, others have blue button, and speak clearly, like me. Number seven, adding effects. Just know effects we have for cool visual, like glitchy, blurry, sparkles. And there are two options here. We have the video effect and the body effect. Body effect for faces and body tracking, the style you want. Are you getting it? Let's go. Tap effects. Go to video effects over here. You can choose from here. Let's go to body effects. Tap on body effects and also choose from here. You see the examples are here also. The effect and adjust how long it shows. Number eight, adding filters. Just know filters help change the mood, the color, and the style of your video to make it bright, warm, or cinematic. Are we together? Just tap on filter, scroll through the options, and adjust the strength with a slider like that. That's all about filters. Another one, transitions. To make smooth changes between clips, use transitions. Tap the white square box, this one, between them. Just pick a transition you want, like fade, slide, zoom, any of your choice, and adjust the duration. That is it. Another one is adjust. Tap adjust. That is if you want to change brightness, you go to brightness and you change it. Contrast, saturation, shadow, and more. Are you getting me? So this helps to improve your video quality. Another one is speed control. To make clips slow or fast, tap speed, choose normal. Here, just to adjust for the whole clip, speed, just simple control. You can create the speed ramps with the smooth motion or the fast forward parts. That's all about speed control. Another one is removing the background. So if your video has the person in front, CapCut can remove the background automatically. Let's go. Tap on the clip, scroll until you find remove background. You can choose auto removal and remove the background. Also, no green screen needed here. You can go to Chroma key. So this one works for people on camera. That's all about remove background. Another one is overlays. Just when you want to add another video or image over your main clip, tap overlay. You can resize it or crop it. You can even also animate it. This one is good for reaction videos, tutorials, green screen effect, or picture-in-picture. That's all about overlays. Another one is green screen. You can call it Chroma key. If you have green screen content, then you go to overlay, select your overlay, then scroll until you find remove background. Here you pick Chroma key. We're gonna use the color picker to select the green screen part. Then adjust the strength and the shadow. That's all about the green screen. Another one is keyframes. To animate anything, let it be text, images, or overlays, we use keyframes. Tap the diamond icon, move your object, and add another keyframe. CapCut will animate between the 2 points, and this will create the small movement in it. That's all about keyframes. Another one, text to speech. To turn text into voice, you can go to tap text, type in what you want, tap on text to speech. You can choose the voice you wanna, let it be male, female, robotic,
Haulah, fatie.
and CapCut turns your text into voice. Last but not least, we have the auto captions. For quick subtitles, you can go to text, then auto captions. Here, CapCut listens and generates captions automatically. Just for you, what you do, you're gonna double check all the errors and you correct them. That's all about auto captions. Our final is exporting your video. When you're done editing, what you're gonna do, type the arrow at the top right, choose your quality, like 1080p or 4K. Are you getting me? Then others, you can leave them as they are, and tap export. CapCut will automatically save your video to phone. Are you getting me? That's all about exporting. Thanks so much for watching this CapCut 2025 beginners tutorial. I hope it helps you learn how to edit videos with confidence, isn't it? If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mobile editing tutorials. This is Haulah. See ya in the next one. Bye!